Hi guys, it's Mrs. Lepa's class and I'm going to teach you how to do a Google folder if for some of you who haven't done it. So I'm logged into the Conroe at KFC website. You would go under students. You're going to sign in SSO. You're going to type in your username, which should be your school email, and then your password, which should have your ID or your unique number to you. Go ahead and click login. Make sure that you're always using your Conroe one versus your personal, so that way you can keep your assignments just separate and things like that. All right, so in here, there's so many good resources that you guys can use. I want you to open Google Drive. Mine's already on favorite apps, but again, right down here, you might need to find it to bring it on top. The reason why we're doing a Google Drive for art is it's a good way to keep everything in one spot, like I usually do, and it's a good way to share photos safely through this for cameras. So we're going to go ahead and hit New, and then we're going to hit Folder. I'm going to double click Folder, and we're going to type it Art1 dash last name, your last name, last, and then you're going to be your first name and then your period for which class that you have me in. If you do not know this information, a good place to look for that is going to be here in View It, and it will show you your schedule. Not only that, it will show you what kind of email to use and your password. This is the best place and location to find that information. I'm going to go back here and then hit Create. I'm going to make it and then we should have the file here. I'm going to double click that file, and then once you see that, I'm going to do that drop down. You're going to do the share button. You're going to type in my email. It's right up here in case if you need to stop and pause the video to write this down. Not Gmail, but it's conroeist.net. You're going to hit done. And that was it. Now you created the file, but you also need to make sure to send it in a screenshot, and I'll show that later in the next slide.